Okay, I think we have an in on him. Here we are, starting pitcher of the
You need better
Cleveland
than
Indians.
Bill with it, Marakovich. That's what you need, right? Girl with blonde hair. That's what you need. I got one for you.
Aaron Andrews, who are you looking for?
I need a girl with the blonde hair. Come.
We're here with Mikey Shalem, starting pitcher of the Cleveland Indians, former the Montreal Expos. Mikey, you gave your fans when you moved from Montreal to Cleveland, you gave them all these promises that you're going to finally bring a championship to Cleveland. What happened this year?
We had a great year. I mean, we got swept in the first round, so it wasn't so great. But it just wasn't our time. We ran into a couple of bad breaks, and we weren't the best team this year, that's it.
Mikey, you had a phenomenal year on the mound. You actually led the league in ERA, 2.80 ERA. You went 11-7 on the bump. But Mikey, take us through that playoff game. It was a 0-0 epic game, 9 innings, where you guys finally fell 1-0.
Well, it was an obvious pitcher's duel. Me and Jeffrey went toe-to-toe, and usually in those games, the guys with licks end up winning, and that's what happened. They just outlasted us.
A couple of things that we're hearing from the media outside the clubhouse, so just, tell us if it's true or false. We're hearing you and your battery mate did not see eye to eye in that last game, and he was going more of inside pitches, and you were pushing him outside. True or false?
It's false.
We're also hearing that you and your coach, Sandy Shalem, had a fisticuffs, broke out in the locker room the prior week against the, who did we play the last week? The Legion of Boom. You guys won like 24-0, but it seems that after the game there was some water coolers being thrown. True or false?
I'm not at liberty to speak about that. It's an ongoing, it's a process, it's ongoing.
Rumors are abounding that Sandy Shalem has not been relieved of his duties. Would you like to play for Sandy again in the coming years?
Absolutely. We won a championship together, and ups and downs. And
you know what? All kidding aside, let's go back to the championship for a minute in Montreal. Is there any single game or any single memory or even any single play that sticks out in your mind more than others that when you think of that year pops up in your head?
I think it was Sonny Shalem, my brother's triple, to start the series.
Is it true that Sonny predicted he was going to hit a triple to lead off that game?
He did, and we didn't have a turn back.
Amazing. 21
straight innings, yeah.
Mikey, you were the winning pitcher in 7 straight postseason games, the only time in YMSL history it's ever happened. The team went 7-0 in the postseason. Congratulations on that. Sorry we could not get it done this year, but there's always next year, as they say.
We'll get them next year.
Back to the studio. Thank you for joining us, Mikey.
Thank you.